Hello, how are you? This is your teacher Nelida. In this case, we are going to talk about adjectives, but we are going to focus our attention in ed and ing adjectives. We have adjectives that end in ed and ing. Let's remember a little bit. We use those adjectives in ed in order to describe emotions. For example, I was frightened by blackmailers. I am describing my emotions. And also we can use the ing form to describe something caused by something else or by somebody else. For example, it's really frightening how hackers steal someone's data. In this case, I don't feel frightened. This frightening is caused by hackers who steal someone's data. As you can see, the two forms, the ed and ing forms, have different meaning. But also we don't have just adjectives with ed and ing forms. We can use verbs as well, both in the ing or ed forms, and use them as adjectives. We have, for example, searching, verifying, stealing in the ing form, or confirmed, proved, and dismissed in the ed form. These verbs can be used as adjectives as well. Let's see some examples. A fascinating teacher told me about participles. Here we have fascinating. Fascinating with the ing form. That word is describing the noun teacher. What kind of teacher? Fascinating. Why did I choose to use ing? Because the teacher causes fascination. So it means that someone or something causes the feeling or action. In this case, the teacher causes fascination. That's why I can say fascinating teacher. Well, here I have another example. A trusting person opens an email. In this case, trusting is describing the person. What kind of person? Trusting. In other words, I am saying the person causes trust. Here I have another example. The deceiving criminal calls the victim. In this case, deceiving is modifying criminal. In other words, what I am saying is that the criminal causes deceive. Here I have another example. The unsuspecting victim answered the phone. Unsuspecting is modifying the victim. In other words, I am saying the victim don't cause suspects. And there is our last example. The victim receives a misleading phone call from the criminal. Misleading is modifying the phone call. In other words, what I am saying is that the phone call causes mislead. So as you can say, the noun causes something, the action or the feeling. This is different from the participles that ends in ed. Or also we can use the other participles from irregular verbs as known, given, broken, etc. As in this example. I got a broken computer. Broken is describing the computer. What kind of computer? Broken. But in this case, I am using the participial because somebody broke the computer. In this case, the computer doesn't cause the break. Somebody broke the computer. That's why I am using the participial. In other words, the participial with ed describes someone or something who experiences a feeling or reaction caused by somebody else. This is our second example. They asked for a lost password to get my personal data. In this case, we're talking about a password, and lost is modifying password. What kind of password? That one which is lost. And it means that somebody lost the password. The password didn't cause the loss of something. Somebody lost the password. That's why I am using the participial. Here we have another example. The first recorded use of the word fishing was in 1996. So, recorded is modifying use of the word fishing. It's modifying a noun phrase. And in other words, what I am saying is that somebody recorded the use of the word fishing. That's why we are using the participle. They ask for a misplaced social security number. They ask for a misplaced social security number. Misplaced is modifying social security number. In other words, it means that somebody misplaced the social security number. Well, here we have two examples. Decide which is the correct option, A or B. In this case, don't forget that this is the adjective. Accepting is modifying example. Accepted is modified example, but only one is the correct one.